Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships.
Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about free online courses and specializations that are offered by Coursera. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly press this subscribe button first and then the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram and Telegram, WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. So now let's get back to the content of this video. So Coursera has been giving a lot of free courses this year, right from the start itself. During the March, they gave Coursera Together program in which they provided nearly 100 plus free courses to everyone. Anyone can enroll in it, and you can enroll in those courses till December 31st this year, that is 2020. I'll give you a link in description. Check it out. And apart from that, they also gave all the courses in Coursera for free to the college and university students. And for this Black Friday sale, they have given these free courses which we are going to see in this video. So watch till the end and see what are the different category courses that Coursera has provided for this Black Friday offers. So let's get started now. So the first category is the creative life. Under creative life, you have courses like sharpened visions, DIY musician, creative writing, photography basics, and you have these super courses like modern art and ideas, jazz improvisation, music education for teachers. And this is the second category, creative careers. For this one, you have literally super good courses like game design, art and concepts, writing for young readers, and you have another very good course, another very good specialization, that is graphic design. So under graphic design, you have 5 courses in this specialization. If you enroll in this specialization, you can take 5 courses. And one more thing which I forgot to say initially is note that all these courses are valid till 4th December 2020. So you have to enroll in these courses before 4th December 2020, and you will have access after that, no problem, but you have to just enroll before 4th December. So make sure that you are selecting the course that you want and enrolling in before 4th December. So let's come back here. So for creative careers, you have these very good courses here, as you can see it, write your first novel and other things. And this is the third one, purposeful living. And there are very good courses like a life of happiness and fulfillment. I myself have taken this course, the life of happiness and fulfillment. It's a very good course. I really enjoyed taking this course actually. And you have other good courses like ignite your everyday creativity, innovation and transformation, foundations of positive psychology. It's very important if you want to keep yourself in a positive mindset, and the science of well-being, finding purpose and meaning in life. And these are some very good courses. I would strongly recommend, if you want to have a good mindset, take these purposeful living courses. And the next one is professional development. So for professional development, you have introduction to personal branding, achieving personal and professional success, career brand management, strategic self-marketing and personal branding, and few other courses. You can see it here. And let's move to the next one. Next one is personal development courses. So for personal development, you have hacking exercise for health, introduction to logic and critical thinking. This is a specialization, as you can see it, and dynamic public speaking specialization, which is provided by the University of Washington. And there are few more good courses. You can just see it here. Think again, introduction to self-determination. So there are a lot of good courses for personal development as well. And here comes the career change courses. So if you're a college student, these courses are definitely going to help you interviewing and resume writing, adapting career development, career decisions, career planning, resume CV, cover letter interview, and more courses like successful career development, career options, exploring a new career, career planning your career, your life. So there are a lot of courses for career development as well. You can literally take this. So these are the categories: career change, personal development, professional development, purposeful living, creative careers, and the creative life. So these are the categories under which you have the courses. So now let's see how to enroll in these courses. So the first step is we should log into our account. So you can see here login. You can simply click on it and log into your Coursera account if you already have one. And if you are coming here for the first time, that is if you don't have a Coursera account already, click on join for free here and give your email ID and password and click on join for free, or else you can also go with your Google account or Facebook account. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. So as you can see here, I have logged into my account. So once you log into your account, just scroll down and see in which course you want to enroll in. So let me tell you how to enroll in this course here. Write your first novel. So choose any course that you like, just click on it and you will be directed to the course page itself like this. And at the top of the page, you will see a banner like this, enroll today and get started for free. Your discount will be applied automatically at checkout. So what you have to do is simply click on enroll for free button here, and you will see this, your promotion will be applied at checkout. Free enrollment available until December 4, 2020 only. So you have to use it before that, and valid for one enrollment per person. So you are going to do just one, and you can simply now click on continue and buy this course for free. You will not be paying anything. You can get the course for free, and once you complete the course and the assignments and the quizzes, you can also download your certificate for free. So this is how you need to enroll in it. And if you want to see details about this course, you can click on instructors. If you want to know about the instructors, syllabus, reviews, enrollment options, FAQ, everything is given here. You can simply click on it and see the details. And this is the content for this video. Coursera is providing a lot of courses for Black Friday, and these courses and specializations are free to enroll in only till 4th December 2020. So if you want to enroll in any of these courses, make sure that you are enrolling in it before 4th December. All these courses are available for free, and you can also get a free certificate once you complete it. So I hope you like this video. There are a lot of courses, make use of it. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.
Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.